Okay, it's time to set up our Amazon Basics microwave model S9N29R. This model is black. It's the only color choice that I have seen. It is a 0.7 cubic foot microwave oven with a standard rotating glass tray on the inside. It does connect to the network of your home so that you can have your Alexa device control it, which is very nice. I tend not to use the term Alexa. I use a different name just because that name is used too commonly. And I'm going to pause the video for a second to check my message and notifications. Echo. Notifications.
One new notification from Amazon Shopping. For Ken, microwave has arrived.
Okay, I guess my microwave's here. Alright, let's go on. So, one of the things that it does first is it gives you a real nice little set up your Amazon microwave. They say download the app, install the microwave, plug in the microwave, and then open the Amazon app. So let me go turn the microwave on. Now I've already done this. I've done this one time, and by doing that it's got the clock memory already set. So now let's go to the phone and open up our Alexa app. And we want to go down to the bottom right side on my Apple iOS iPhone and push the little button for devices. I'm going to set this against this so it doesn't wobble. And what we want to do is add a device. Add a device. And then I'm going to scroll here. It says what type of device are you doing? And we're looking for the word microwave. Click on that. And it's an Amazon Basics, not a GE. And they want to make sure that it's connected to your Bluetooth. My Bluetooth is on, and I do agree to the conditions of use. So connect your microwave to Alexa. Plug in your microwave into a grounded outlet, and even better, a ground fault indicator outlet so you don't get electrocuted if it gets water around it. Press and hold 2, the number 2 on the keypad for 4 seconds. The microwave will beep once and display the flashing 0000. So, number 2, 3, 4. Fail. Let's try that again. So I need to move this out of the way. Hit that. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. And let's see. Next, to continue, looking for the microwave. Connecting. That was fast. My Spectrum network is right here. Now I've already entered the password in one time before, so it's not going to ask me that, but normally it would just say please enter your Wi-Fi network password. So the Amazon Basics microwave has been found. Waiting for it to connect. Now remember, when you test your microwave, you must have something inside of it. It's not good to run a microwave empty. Alright, so it's connected. It's given me a couple little things that I could say to it. It says successful on the microwave. Let's go next. Enable Ask Alexa button. I do like that, so let's do this one too. And my microwave is going to connect to the Echo Plus, which is our living room unit, and I brought it out here just to have it close by so you could hear it talk to us better. On the back of this, it has some of the main controls, things that you need to say. The back of this has the main control words. Ask Alexa button is ready. Okay, so basically you push the button and you can say these little simple commands versus having to say Alexa, microwave on, and what you need it to do. So let's get rid of that. I don't want to order popcorn right now. My microwave is done. So in theory, this is finished. If you go and open up your manual, you'll notice that there is a QR code inside. This one's on page 10. And if you scan this QR code, it will bring you to a website where you can basically download some instructions But basically it's about the commands, like how to do chicken and vegetables and liquids and things like that. This is about 5 pages. I plan on reducing this down and making a single page for the house so that everybody can understand how to control this. Because some of the words that we might use for this, it doesn't get. So, let's try this out. My device is not called Alexa, because again, the word is used way too much on TV. Echo, microwave for 2 minutes and 10 seconds.
2 minutes 10 seconds, power 10.
Echo, stop microwave.
Okay.
Now, if you say things like cancel and turn off, she doesn't get it. So let's make an experiment. Echo, microwave on.
For how long?
1 minute.
1 minute, power 10.
Echo, cancel microwave. Echo, turn off microwave.
Microwave doesn't support that.
Echo, microwave off.
Microwave doesn't support that.
Echo, stop microwave. So your
Okay.
keyword for stopping this process is stop. That's very important. You can see it listed right here, stop, pause, restart. Or you can actually press the echo button and say stop, but why press that when you can just push the stop button? They put it in there, but that's kind of defeating the purpose to me for speed and efficiency. I just assume push this. So let's try something else. Now remember, you must have something in your microwave. There's a very hot, steamy cup of water in there for me, which I was going to make some tea from if there's any water left by the time we get through with this. Now, this one also has a child lockout mode, and what you do is you hold the pause for just about a second and you push the 0 for 2 seconds, and what will happen is this Wi-Fi symbol will disappear, so the kids can't actually talk to your Alexa device and activate the microwave. It's also a smart device that if you said Alexa, microwave for 10 hours, it will not do that. It has to do things that are realistic for the time of a standard operating microwave. Now again, this microwave is only 0.7 cubic feet. It's a little bit small. My other one was a 0.9. It made a big difference actually in height because it was about almost an inch taller. And the catch here is I hope this will handle most of our needs. I was hoping they would have a 0.9, but they don't. This one's 0.7 cubic feet. They hollowed out the door, the left side and the back to accommodate a little bit larger bags or items that might go in there. This is their way of conserving space, or the footprint we should say. So it's a good microwave so far. I do wish it came in a brushed nickel or a white. I like the stainless look myself, but that's okay. It was only $41 shipping free and arrived very quickly. And as always, I get good service with Amazon and I'm very pleased with their products. Let's see if there's anything else we want to try here. Okay, let's try this. I'm a big fan of sweet potatoes, so wash your sweet potato off, poke some holes in the top of it, and stick it in your microwave. Slip out this hot cup. Alrighty, in you go, Mr. Potato. And let's see, let's try this one. What would I say? Let's try it. I'm going to guess. Echo, microwave 1 potato.
Starting potato. 6 minutes, 30 seconds.
We'll be back with a final critique on our potato in 6 minutes and roughly 15 seconds. Stevia takes so little to sweeten something. This is pure stevia, not the cut stuff. Get this in South America when I travel down there. Good stuff. Potato smells good. So it's already cooled the unit down with the fan. That didn't take very long. One of my other microwaves took a long time because it got so hot. A little steamy inside. Ooh. Not gonna do that one. Let's grab one of these old pot holders, my favorites. I don't like the newer ones. They're just too much silicone and don't do a good job for me. Alrighty. Did it cook all the way through? Ooh, that's soft. Whew. There you have it. Beautiful. Too hot to eat right now. Sweet potato. So, good verdict. Like the microwave a lot. I hope the missus does as well, because I'm the one that's going to hear about it if she doesn't. And Amazon, please come up with a 0.9 cubic foot version of this. It's a great value. Now you make me want to go look for a GE just because I didn't know somebody else had one. Or others? Who is others? I don't know who the other ones are. So if you find another one that works with Alexa devices, please post it in the comments so that I can see what else is out there. If this helped you at all, and I'm sorry it's lengthy, but you know, sometimes these things take a little bit of time. Overall, so far 100% satisfied. It's a great unit. The value is there. It was shipped very well in a timely fashion. The connections and everything were easy. I have no complaints whatsoever. So, have a great day. If this helped, give me a thumbs up. like, even follow me if you can, because I'm going to be doing lots of reviews like this, and I have a special channel called 3D Mojo. That's 3DMOJO, one word, where I go through and tell you how to get your 3D printers to print better than what they were supposed to right out of the box. So, have a good day.